Do you have the habit of cracking your knuckles? Is it a good habit or a bad habit? In all our parts of the joints, there are small amount of fluid which is there. So when you crack your knuckles, they produce small bubbles which burst and produces sound. But is it a bad habit? It is, because if you keep doing that over the long period of time, this fluid will cause inflammation which can lead to arthritis of the joint, which you do not want just by cracking your knuckles. So that is why you should refrain, or at least don't try to do it all the time. Thank you.